What's up, guys? Today is like Friday, August 7, 2026, and I'm going to make this video to talk to my future self and make something of it. I'm putting my head start 5 years from now to 5 years of me. I want to talk to you that I want to change myself into becoming the man I wanted to become and work on it for that 5 years. I'm going to set it for myself because I want to change so bad. Tagalog na. Mahirap na pag di mo na-achieve yung goals mo. And I saw myself on that. Nagre-regret ako. And in that 1 year na meron ako, yung grind na ginawa ko, yung 1 year na yun, stop ako sa school para lang sa grind na gagawin ko na hindi ko natupad. Hindi ko na-achieve, man. Kala ko ma-achieve ko siya. Pero it didn't happen. Pero okay lang kasi sa 1 year na yun, pagka-grind ko, natuto ako. Dami akong natutunan. And hindi basta-basta pala ang maging successful. Hindi siya easy way out na isang taon lang kakayahan. Kailangan magtuon ng panahon talaga para mangyari yun. And gagawin ko tong time capsule para makita ko yung sarili ko. And yung sinasabi ko ngayon, mangyari siya in the next 5 years of my life. Nga, gagawin ko na to. Seryoso naman talaga ako sa plano na to. Since I was 17 years old, tinatrabaho na siya. May mga na-build naman na ako, mga foundation. And I'm grateful for that. But you're rooting for more. It's not gonna end. Siguro, ganito na yung gagawin ko for the rest of my life. I'm gonna grind, work my ass off, become better every single day because I want to become better to live in this life. Because I know something inside me is different and I want to become rich. I want to become rich to provide to those people around me, to give whatever the fuck they want in life. For me too, I want to achieve my goal. I want to achieve my dream car, my dream house. I'm so serious about it, bro. My dream physique, bro. I'm working on it. I'm working on it. And that's the only thing I have right now is my physique, man. So, straight to the point na tayo. Gusto kong makita yung sarili ko in 5 years. May kotse na ako, may bahay na ako, may business ako. I don't know kung paano ko siya gagawin. Pero, naniniwala na ako sa sarili ko na ma-achieve ko siya. Dahil na pinaka-dream kong sobrang laki. Hindi siya goal, mission ko siya. Magka-Aston Martin na kotse. So, alam niyo yun, alamin nyo. And yung Porsche na kotse. Man, alin man sa dalawa na yun, gusto kong ma-achieve. So, kung makikita mo to, future 5 years ko, I hope na nagawa mo na siya. Lahat ng sinabi ko. At kung hindi, I'm very disappointed to you. I regret not achieving your goal. Because that's the only thing that we are living in this life. I want to become a provider. I want to become the man of my own thing, man. Like the man of God, Kahit myself, not achieving my goal. Natatandaan mo, yung ngayon, yung nangyari sa atin. Dahil sa 1 year of grinding, hindi natin achieve yung goal natin. Plano mo yun, man. Nag-stop ka sa school para magawa yung isang taon na yun, nag-grind, man. Para maging successful, para yumaman, pumaldo. Pero, di mo nagawa. Alam mo yung feeling nun, man. Sobrang sakit. Nag-regret ka, man. Habang natutulog ka, lagi mangiyak-iyak ka, malungkot ka. Yun ang feeling, men, sobrang sakit. And lagi mo iniisip yun. Kaya ayoko na mangyari sa akin yun. Tatrabahuin ko na siya araw-araw. Like I always did, man. I always working on it every single day, man. But you know, something in me is the problem. And I wanted to fix it. But if you can't fix it, future 5 years of myself, you're watching this. You're fucked, man. You're fucking bitch. I'm I'm angry right now because I'm sad, because I didn't achieve my dream. Because of that, I never, like, nakasulat dito yung dream mo, man. Ito lahat, dream mo, yung goals mo. Not a dream, it's a goals na mission mo, but you didn't achieve. Papakita ko sa'yo. And mo, no, goal this year, master trading, and I barely know it, but I'm not even master communication skill. I'm working on it right now. But it's simply just a bit of and gain 70 kg. Ito yung pinakamasakit, men. Hindi ko na-achieve tong 70 kg in June lean body. Like, for 2 months ago, August na ngayon, men, gain 70 kg lean body. And I'm almost 63 kg. And I hate what I see. And now, earn 50k per month. I didn't even achieve it too. Because I have may ginagawa pa talaga akong mali. Alam ko sa sarili ko yun, men. Fuck it, man. I hate myself on that thing. But I control myself sometimes. But sometimes, nagiging siya non-playable character. Ayoko nang ganunin. Tapos itong goal natin, become a polymath. I hope you achieve it. Future 5 years plans. I hope you achieve it. You're serious about it, man. And yung mga nakaset mo na goal dyan, man. Lahat yan, ginagawa mo. Pero something is wrong, man. And I want you to change that for me. No? Pinapakita ko lang sa'yo kung ano yung na-experience ko ngayon. And sana, gawin mo tong inspiration and lakas para ma-achieve mo yung goals mo in life. Like, I'm not talking to anyone. I'm just talking to myself, beyond me. I don't give a fuck for what others people think of me. I just wanna post it on my YouTube account and make it as a document. So, I'm going to show myself kung na-achieve ko ba siya o hindi. Ito yung time capsule ko. And, yun lang. I hope you achieve all your dreams in life. Kasi, alam mo na yung feeling ng regret. Sana magbago ka na. Sana alisin mo na yung bad habits na meron ka pa. I know you're not having so much bad habits, but I hope you change that. I hope you already living the life that I want. So hanggang dito na lang ako. Lance, I hope you achieve it, all of your goals in life. I'm very thankful that you're alive if you're watching this. And I'm rooting for you from afar. I love you, Lancito. And that's the only thing I would say to you. Even you achieve that or not, I'm still be with you no matter what. I love you, Lance. By the way, I'm 20 years old right now. I'm planning it for my 25 years all of my life. And I hope you achieve that, man. I'll be happy for you if you achieve that. Thanks, man. Love you. Bye bye. Peace.